Out of my face.
Alright, for those who don't know, this is Carly, Crystal, Aubrey, and they're going to review today's meal. So, go.
Y'all, first of all, we had some delicious grilled shrimp with Creole seasoning and butter. And I think it had some rosemary in it. I don't know. It called for 2 pounds of butter, but she only put in 1 pound. I appreciate that on my waistline.
Oh. She had some cornbread.
I'm not going
some
back.
asparagus.
It was delicious.
It was barbecue shrimp.
Yeah, barbecue shrimp.
Did I say grilled? I meant barbecue shrimp.
We all stuffed ourselves.
And we acquired southern accents from it as well.
They did. I'm really bad at it.
We thought it was really good. It was really greasy, but that's because of the butter.
It's okay. It was worth it. The butter made it good.
He only put it.
Delish.
Y'all come back now.
We had some fruit, and then Ivory brought some raspberry cake.
It was just a really delicious meal.
Oh.
I feel
I give
fat
it 10. Yeah, I feel fat too.
on this Fat Tuesday. I also feel like I'm going to be closer to the Lord tomorrow.
Oh, the wonders of butter.
What could have been better about it?
Now we all have to think.
I should have wore a bigger size pants.
Yeah, you should see Ivory. She's busting out a button up. A button here.
This is a family video.
Small room.
Yeah. I think you could have done with half a pound of butter and it still would have been
Yeah, that would have been good.
No.
It was butter was good, but you could have used a little less on maybe the asparagus if we wanted to go for maybe a healthier meal.
Yeah, no, that wasn't. No, but it was wonderful.
This girl didn't eat since 10 a.m. today. We both ate lunch.
Yeah. I purposefully did not eat because of Maria's cooking.
See, I didn't know until
That's how good it
3
is.
o'clock when she
And I'm not
texted me and reminded
disappointed.
me.
I didn't eat for hours and I am not disappointed. Huh?
Well, I didn't say I was disappointed. I just said maybe less butter next time. I'm gonna have to be on the bike for like an hour and a half tomorrow.
Oh God. I have to go tonight. Oh, fail on the thing.
I'm so sorry. That was completely my fault.
Do y'all have anything? Oh, now I got one too. Do y'all have anything else y'all want to say?
Happy Fat Tuesday.
Y'all come back now.
Y'all come back now.